Okay, so this pipe right here is the same exact diameter of my potato cannon, and looks like it's going to fit quite nice. So I'm going to sharpen this edge with my belt sander so I can get this potato in really nice and easy. And yeah. Okay, so got the pipe ready. So now we're going to carefully, I should do it this way first. Just slide it on in there. There we go. Now hopefully, carefully pop this baby out. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful cut potato. So now we're going to cut the end off and somehow hollow it out. Ta-da! Okay, carefully. I'm going to cut this. I guess it doesn't really matter. Carefully cut this. There we go. Now we're going to have to somehow hollow this out. Hold up. More bits. Oh my gosh, I feel so sad for all the potato lovers out there. I am absolutely massacring this poor potato. Why did it have to be so cold today? There we go. So now we're just going to carefully draw a potato. Now, got it hollowed out. So now I'm going to take the napalm that I made. I'm just going to pour a generous amount in. I don't know how much that's going to be. Looks like it's going to be about yay much. Now we're going to need this. Potato is fully loaded. Now I'm going to this down. There we go. Okay, that's one side. And put that screw in. And she's ready to go.